You gave your life to make a difference. You gave your life to make a change. You welcomed all.
So this is the culmination of my capstone project for the Minnesota Water Stewards Program. And this is the 400 square foot rain garden that we built with my neighbors Brenda and Kevin. We live in Golden Valley and Bassett Creek watershed. This is capturing the runoff of actually 4 houses. So we've got half of the roof of this house here. This is the homeowner's, the site of the rain garden. We've got about most of that roof over there, the next door neighbor. The garage there, I don't know if you can see it. About half of this roof, and then a little bit of this house over here to the right.
No outer inside. Together we can make that change. With the few or many, with the light or not any. Together we can make that change. I want my life to make a difference.
Like 26, and a little more than 28. It was like 26 to 28 inches. And we went deeper because, again, like there was so much glass and everything and like molten, and we just wanted better quality soil that was going to infiltrate better. So we removed a lot of that and filled it with kind of a sand compost mixture. And then we have mulch now at the top, which is about 4 inches. We might have a little too much mulch, but eventually over time, right, it'll kind of stamp down. But really it is supposed to be kind of a bowl, but underneath anyway, it'll slope out kind of in either direction.
To make a difference. I want my life to make a change. I want my life to do some good here. I want my life to make a change. We're the citizens of the world. Every boy.
We've been here 40 some years, and we know that there's a lot of water that comes through here. Down around here you can see an area where the grass doesn't grow because that's where all the water just cascades down. And then in the spring we would have this puddle that would form back here. And I had taken a class about rain gardens, but it just seemed like a big daunting task. And Lauren proposed this about getting a grant, and so we kind of started working on it together and learned a lot of what not to do, and this is our final project.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much for your help.
Yeah, it kind of became a neighborhood project. We ended up with a lot of the neighbors helping, putting sweat equity into it too. So.
Oh,
Yeah.
how great.
To make a change.